gonna pour it in. Okay, so after you pour your salt in, you're gonna want to start to mix it. Already you can see the sliminess forming, and if you need to, you can add more salt. So you just want to keep mixing for a little while. So I'll be right back. Got to really thick because I put it in the freezer for about 5 minutes. I didn't really time it, but I just like estimated it. As you can see, it like works pretty well as slime, and it doesn't stick too much to your hand. It's really slimy and stuff. See, it doesn't stick too much to your hands, and it's actually pretty good. So